This is one of the best confetti cookies I've ever tasted. Ooh, this is so good. I'm going to teach you how to bake it. So let's start. Soft unsalted butter and sugar. You cream the butter and the sugar together until it is very fluffy. I have 2 eggs and 2 egg yolks. Next, we add in our vanilla. I discovered recently that I've been adding to my cakes that makes it very, very tasty. And this is coffee vanilla syrup. So I'm adding a bit to it. My flour, cornstarch, baking soda, and my baking powder. Salt. So I'm not sifting it together, I'm just mixing it together. Then I add it to my batter here. I mix all together. It is getting too heavy for my hand mixer, so I'm going to mix with my spatula and with my hands. This up, I'm going to add half cup of my confetti sprinkles. Gonna mix together. To make it easier, I love to use my hands so that all the confetti will be equally mixed into the cookie dough. Recipe is so good that you can make it for your family or you can even bake it yourself. We are going to portion the cookie dough into your desired size. For me, first size for my cookies are 100. Some people prefer 120, some people prefer 160. So it's up to you. So for this cookie, I'll be making a two giant cookie size around 120 and 80. So scale is my friend. Ooh, almost accurate. I had 170 here, so I think I'm going to leave it 170. Then I portion the remaining one in 100 grams. So I have my cookie dough all portioned out. More sprinkles, more confetti. So I have my cookie dough all coated in confetti sprinkles. So for more flavor, rich flavor, to freeze this for at least 30 minutes. If you want a more enriched flavor, you can freeze this for a day overnight. But for this video, I'm going to be freezing this for 30 minutes. Our cookies are ready to be baked after 30 minutes in the freezer. So now I'm going to place my cookies in my baking tray, then straight to the oven. We are going to be baking this for at least 22 minutes. I won't be baking all at the same time because I want to give space to them. So I'll be baking 6 at a time. Cookies are ready. It came out beautiful. You can allow, after baking, you allow it to cook. You make sure before you take it out of the oven, you can see that it's golden brown on the outside and it's going to be very, very, very chewy on the inside, cakey on the taste. It tastes so good. Don't forget to follow for more recipes.